Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're going to be talking about how to program live automation. So here we have a piano intro and we want the tone to change from the intro to the verse. So here's the original sound. And we want to roll off some top end when we hit the verse. Yep, let's roll off a little bit more. Yeah, nice and warm, and it gets out of the way of the airy vocal. Okay, so we're going to click Automate right here. And then select Auto Filter and select Frequency, because that's the parameter we're trying to automate. Make a couple points. Open up the filter for the intro, and we'll roll the top end off just in the last 2 beats. All right, let's give it a listen.
Intro 2, 3, 4.
So the filter's open, it's nice and bright, and here comes our automation. This works great if you're running tracks and maybe like a keys rig off of the same machine, or if you're using Ableton Link. So I'm going to click out of automation just to show you that. Even though we can't see it, it's still going to work. So here I'm just going to demonstrate that.
Verse 2, 3, 4.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we could talk about next.